missed filing your income tax returns for the financial year? Or did you end up filing that but in a wrong manner? Do you have questions around whether or not you can file it now? And more importantly, are there any penalties when it comes to late filing of income tax returns? Let's find out in this video. Alright, first things first, if you have forgotten to fill your income tax returns, you still have a couple of months of time window with you. You can file what is now called the belated tax returns by the IT department. For that, the deadline is 31st March 2022. So make sure that you file your returns at any cost before this particular deadline. Why am I saying that? In case you happen to miss this deadline, then you will not be allowed to voluntarily go to the tax portal and file your returns. In that case, you can only file returns after having received a notice from the income tax department. So it is absolutely necessary that if you have forgotten to fill your returns till now, do so by the 31st of March 2022. Now, naturally, if you are filing a late return, it is going to come with some sort of a penalty. Now, for people with gross income less than equal to the basic exemption limit, these people will not have to pay any late payment fees. This limit is 2.5 lakhs in case you are opting for the new tax regime. But in case you are opting for the old tax regime, it is again going to depend on your age. But I'll just briefly tell you that if the total income that you earn is less than or equal to 5 lakhs, the penalty will be 1000 rupees. But if it's greater than 5 lakh, it is going to be 5000 rupees. Having said that, do not hesitate to file your returns just because you have to pay a late payment fees. It is always important to have all the documents in place. And when I say documents, I also mean income tax returns. So never miss filing your income tax returns. But are there any implications of filing late tax returns apart from late payment fees? Let us understand that. The first implication is that the IT refund is going to be delayed. Now, if you have filed a delayed return and you are supposed to get some refunds from the government in the form of your taxes, then those refunds will also naturally be delayed because you have informed the government at a later stage that look, you are supposed to give back this particular amount of money to me. The second implication is that you cannot carry forward most of your losses from the current financial year. What do I mean by that? Normally, if I have made losses in any business, let's say if I am a share trader and I have made certain losses. Now I am allowed to carry forward those losses and offset them against the gains that I will make in the next couple of years. Which means that today if I have lost 1000 rupees, I can offset that by gains that I will earn next year to the extent of 1000. But if you are filing late tax returns, this facility is snatched away from you. So remember, you cannot carry forward most of your losses from the current year. Losses from house property are still exempted from this and you can still carry forward such type of losses to the next year. Alright, I hope you learned something out of this with respect to late filing of income tax returns. Do subscribe to Finance Lens and I'll see you the next time.